Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Learn Visions. So our today's topic is anatomy of ear. So let's begin the class. First of all, the ear, sense of hearing. The human ear is mainly concerned with two functions, hearing and body balance. So human ear not only helps in hearing, it also maintains our body balance. Now, the ear is made up of three parts, three major parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. All three parts of the ear are important for detecting sound by working together to move sound from the outer part through the middle and into the inner part of the ear. Now, all the all the parts of the eye are very important for transporting sound waves from the outer ear part to the inner ear part and then to the brain through auditory nerves. So all three parts of the ear are important. They have to work together for transporting sound waves. Next, the outer ear. The outer ear includes auricle or pinna, which receives sound waves. Means the outer part of the ear, which helps, which receives the sound waves at first. Then it transports to the auditory canal. Means the first part of our eyes. Oh, sorry, of our ears. The canal part, that is auditory canal or ear canal, which transports those sound waves to the eardrum. Now, eardrum is the last part of the outer ear. It also connects outer ear and middle ear. Okay, so the the main function of outer ear is to collect sound. Now, sound travels through the auricle and auditory canal, a short tube that ends at the eardrum. So next, just see, this is the pinna, this is the auricle. Okay, now this canal is ear canal or auditory canal. Sound waves comes and it just go like this, and this is the eardrum. Now this portion is outer ear, and after that middle ear. Now let's see what middle ear is. The middle ear includes ossicles, three small bones that are connected and transmit the sound waves to inner ear. The bones are called malleus, incus, stapes. So ossicles are actually three small bones together known as ossicles, which are connected to each other, and its main work is to transport or transmit sound waves to inner ear. Okay, so middle ear consists of ossicles and eustachian tube too. The name of three small bones are malleus, incus, and stapes, and remember that that malleus, incus, and stapes are the smallest bone found in human bodies. Next is eustachian tube. Now, eustachian tube, a canal that links the middle ear with the back of nose. Okay, so a canal which is joined with the nose, with the cavity of nose. Now, why is it so? Because the tube helps to equalize the pressure in the middle ear. Because equalized pressure is needed for proper transfer of sound waves. Pressure should be equal in our atmosphere and inside our ear too, so that the sound waves can transport or transmit properly and we can hear properly sounds. Now just see, this is the auricle. Sound comes to ear canal, then it goes to eardrum. After that, eardrum vibrates little bit and it makes move this malleus, stapes, and incus. Okay, and this transmits sound waves to inner ear. This is the stapes. After that, here is the inner ear part. This is the inner ear part, and this is eustachian tube, which connects to our nose so that our pressure inside the ear should be equal. Now next is the inner ear. The inner ear includes oval window, Now this connects the middle ear and the inner ear. So see guys, just see properly. Just a second. Just a second. So this is the step. Step is, yes. This is a step is the last, the third bone, and here is incus, malleus, and this is our inner ear. Just take our inner ear. So here is a small oval shaped window which connects them both. So this is the oval window which connects middle ear and inner ear. Okay. So next is cochlea, which transforms sound into signals that get sent to brain. Cochlea is the most important part of our ear. Without cochlea's help, we can't hear. Cause see, sound waves are converted into electrical impulse in cochlea, and then only auditory nerve transports these impulses to our brain, and it's create a pattern of sound so that we can recognize whose sound it is. So cochlea is actually spiral shaped inner ear part. Okay, like this. It's like this, like this, and then auditory nerve like this, connected auditory nerve. Okay. Next is semicircular canal, which helps to keep your balance when you move your head. As we studied in our first slide, that ear also helps in body balance. So semicircular canal is responsible for our body balance. Okay, it keeps your balance straight even if you spin round and round. It if you spin round and round, when you will stop, this semicircular canal will also spin for few minutes, or few seconds. So that's why you feel the dizziness, because this semicircular liquid fluid which is inside this canal also moves when you stop. Then also it moves, and so that you feel dizziness. Next, auditory nerve. Auditory nerve impulses are transmitted to brain. Means here is our cochlea. When cochlea converts sound waves into nerve impulses, electrical impulses, here is our auditory nerve which is connected to our brain. Okay. So next, let's see. Just see, guys. Sound. Here is our sound. Sound moves to outer ear, that is pinna first of all, auricle, then to auditory canal, after that to middle ear, malleus incus stapes, and then to cochlea, semicircular canal, and cutriculus and sacculus are the part of ear which also helps in maintaining our body balance. Okay. So next, what's there? Now we have already studied the anatomy of ear. What are the main parts which are involved in hearing? Now let's see how do we actually hear. First of all, sound waves enter the outer ear. Sound waves enter the outer ear and travel through a narrow passageway called ear canal, which leads to eardrum. Okay, we have did that. Through auditory canal or ear canal, the sound waves transmits to eardrum. After that, eardrum vibrates from the incoming sound waves and sends this vibration to three tiny bones in the middle ear. So due to vibration, the three tiny bones which are connected to eardrum vibrates and transmits the sound waves to inner ear. Okay, now these two done. Now third, the bones in the middle ear increases the sound vibration and send them to cochlea. Please remember that our ear increases the sound 20 times more than the normal sound. Okay, because of this middle ear part, because of the tiny bones. Now this vibration are then sent to cochlea through oval window. Cochlea, a snail-shaped structure filled with fluid in the ear. Now cochlea has three canals: vestibular canal, median canal, and tympanal canal. Okay, so the middle canal, the middle canal. Wait, let me show you. This is, suppose this is cochlea. This is cochlea, snail shaped. Now this is the canal. Sorry, this is the canal. If you just break it, this is the canal. It has three parts like this, like this. Three parts, three canals, small canals, which are vestibular canal, median canal, and tympanal canal. Now in the median canal, this canal contains uh, this canal contains sensory cells, mainly hair cells. Okay, the middle canal contains area possessing sensory cells, mainly hair cells. Okay, which is also known as organ of Corti, for which is responsible for hearing. Now these cells contains hairs at these cells contain hair as basilar membrane hair cells. Okay, now when fluid, it has fluid also, so when fluid comes with vibration, these hair cells these hair cells converts these sound waves into electrical impulses. Okay, so like these sound waves are coming, there are hair cells. This helps in transporting them, converting them into electrical impulses, and then it gets transported to our brain through auditory nerves. So just see the hair cells on the basilar membrane. The hair cells on the basilar membrane convert sound vibration into nerve impulses. These impulses then travel via the auditory nerve to the brain, and then we can hear. And this all action happens within few seconds only, within few milliseconds. Here is our sound waves travel here, and then it vibrates. It vibrates this three tiny bones, and this part. This part is oval window, and this is cochlea. This is semi-lunar canals, and this is auditory nerve which goes to our brain. Okay, so here, let's see properly. Here is our sound waves comes, but sound waves travels to ear canals. Eardrum moves and vibrates the small tiny bones. Then it travels through them. After that, it enters the inner ear. It enters the inner ear. See, just see. It enters, and then here in the cochlea, it gets transport. It converts the sound waves into electrical impulses with the help of hair cells present in the median canal, and after that it gets transported to auditory nerve to the brain, and then it sends the message that we can hear now. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you all understand this topic. We will also upload a short video, uh, a short animated video so that you can understand properly. It's all about just think that a sound wave is traveling through a canal, after that eardrum, then tiny bones. It's very simple. Sound wave is simply traveling through them, and in the cochlea, the snail shaped part, it gets transported into electrical impulses, and after that it travels to our brain. But simple thing. And all these terms are very important: eustachian tube, outer ear, pinna, auricles, ossicles, all that, cochlea, all that are very important. So this is all for today, guys. So thank you.